Hey guys, I wanted to hop on and tell you I'm so excited about this new class that I am sharing with you guys. So if you have children or teens who are struggling right now, who are maybe having anxiety, they are not being able to focus at school, maybe they've been diagnosed with ADD, maybe they're having emotional outbursts, any of the above. I am doing a course on teaching parents and kids, both of you guys, how to handle energetically sensitive children, empathic children, and teens. I work with so many clients right now who have children who are working through their gifts, right? Because being a sensitive kid is a gift, okay? It's not a hindrance. It's actually a huge contribution if you know how to handle it. Being a sensitive kid myself, if I would have had these tools earlier on in life, I think things would have gone a lot easier for me. So I'm sharing this course with you guys. If you'd like to sign up, I'm going to be starting next week, and you can do this with your kids. You can do this, your kids can do it without you if you'd like, but this is such a great education on our new starseed, really our new starseed kids that are coming onto this planet right now, that are coming in with incredible amounts of light and gifts that need to be nurtured and need to be acknowledged. Our institutions and our school systems don't really have the education or the awareness to handle our kids, our sensitive kids. And what do we do here? We put them on medication, which actually is, I believe, one of the worst things that you can do, because that actually hinders their gifts. So, we're always looking for that quick fix, like, oh, my kid's having a problem, let's put them on medication. Maybe if you've tried therapy and it didn't work, maybe if you've exhausted all other avenues, you could try this. This is a totally different type of education system and knowledge for you and your sensitive kids. So I hope you guys join me.